Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Calendly. By the end, you'll have a simple, shareable poll that lets your invitees vote on the times that work best for them, making group scheduling much faster and more transparent. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your main scheduling page. This is your dashboard where you manage event types and availability. Make sure you're on the main page so you can access the creation tools easily. Next, start a new meeting poll. Click the plus Create button, usually at the top right, and select Meeting Poll from the menu. A meeting poll is perfect when coordinating with multiple people and you want them to choose from a set of proposed times instead of booking instantly. Now select your times. Begin by choosing your preferred time zone so the poll displays correctly for everyone. Choose your meeting duration, then select up to 40 potential time slots for people to vote on. Offer a variety of options across mornings, afternoons, and multiple days if possible. If you select a slot by mistake, simply deselect it. Once you've chosen your times, click Next and add your meeting details. Give your poll a concise, recognizable name like Team Sync or Project Check-in. Choose a location, such as Zoom or Google Meet, and add a brief description outlining the purpose, prep work, or who should attend. You can also open settings to reserve times while the poll is open, preventing double bookings, and add custom questions to gather information up front. When everything looks good, share your poll. Click Share Meeting Poll, copy the link, and paste it into your email, chat, or calendar message. Include a short note encouraging people to select all times that work for them to get better data and a quicker decision. That's it! You've created a Calendly meeting poll, added clear options and helpful context, and shared it with your group. Now you can watch responses roll in and schedule with confidence. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips.